Did you know that an astonishing 1 in 4 Americans turn to astrology for self-healing? It's a fact that's as intriguing as it is enlightening. Welcome to a journey through the cosmos, where celestial bodies guide us in our quest for self-improvement and healing. Astrology, an ancient practice dating back thousands of years, has seen a resurgence in recent times. People from all walks of life are now looking to the stars for answers, guidance, and most importantly, healing. Take it from renowned astrologer Dr. Celeste Orion. She says, "Astrology provides a unique lens through which we can understand our behaviors, tendencies, and emotional patterns. It's a tool for self-discovery and healing. Astrology offers a roadmap to our inner universe. It helps us understand our strengths, weaknesses, and potential. It's about more than just predicting the future. It's about understanding ourselves on a deeper level." As world-renowned healer Dr. Luna Starlight puts it, astrology is a pathway to self-understanding. It's a way to navigate the complexities of our inner world. So how does one begin this journey of self-healing through astrology? Start by understanding your birth chart. A birth chart, also known as a natal chart, is a map of where all the planets were in their journey around the sun at the exact moment you were born. It provides insight into your personality, your potential, and your purpose. Consider the words of expert astrologer Dr. Sky Solstice. Your birth chart is like a blueprint of your soul. It reveals your strengths, your challenges, and your potential. Understanding it is the first step towards self-healing. And remember, astrology isn't a quick fix. It's a journey. It requires patience, understanding, and a willingness to delve deep into your own psyche. But the rewards are worth it. As Dr. Orion puts it, astrology doesn't just heal, it empowers. It gives you the tools to understand yourself and to navigate life more effectively. So, embark on this journey of self-discovery and healing. Understand your birth chart, tap into the wisdom of the stars, and use that knowledge to heal, grow, and become the best version of yourself. It's a journey that's as fascinating as it is transformative. And always remember the words of Dr. Luna Starlight, astrology is a key that unlocks the door to understanding ourselves. Once we understand ourselves, we can start to heal. Thank you for joining this celestial journey. May the stars guide you towards healing and self-discovery.